Shiba Inu is up nearly 20% this week, and we're anticipating to see the most biggest Shiba Inu pump that has yet to come. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host, Umar Khan, and today we're talking about Shiba Inu. The meme coins market is starting to shake up again. Overall market up 1.6%. Shiba Inu have a massive up bubble today of 5.7%. Will Shiba Inu skyrocket? Is Shiba Inu going to the moon? That's exactly what we're talking about in this video. Before the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, do make sure you smash the subscribe button down below, as it helps the channel tremendously and will help you reach your 2024 crypto goals. And also remember, none of this is financial advice. Always your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. Taking a look at a couple things, guys. First of all, the fear and greed index currently at a 56 neutral, slowly but surely creeping back into the greed category of things, which is absolutely amazing. We see Ethereum at almost 3,000 again, and Bitcoin at $64,000. It's absolutely awesome. As Bitcoin prices continue above $60,000, altcoin investors are growing confidence alongside meme coins. That's why the meme coins are pumping. And it's not just Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu up 17% on the week. Pepe up nearly 30% on the week. Whiff up 37% on the week. Bonk up 22% on the week. Floki up almost 40% on the week. And Brett up 30% on the week. Why is Shiba Inu pumping? And why is it so important that you need to load up? Again, Shiba Inu at $9.2 billion market cap. 13 ranking in terms of cryptocurrencies across the board. And number 2 in terms of meme coins, which is absolutely bullish. We see a little bit of a pullback in the past couple hours in the candles. But on the week, we're looking pretty solid. Even on the month, we're looking pretty solid. Down 8%. Where this project has been down nearly 40% for the past couple of weeks, it is starting to make a swift recovery. And guys, you know me, I like to talk about buying as the time you make your bag. So if you buy in early, that's when you actually are going to make the most profits, and it makes the most sense to invest early in a project than waiting. Talking about early, you can't get anything earlier than a pre-sale, and today's pre-sale that we're highlighting is Pepe Unchained. Pepe now has its own blockchain. Congratulations, you're early to the party. Buy now and stake down pre-sale to max your rewards before the price skyrockets. Talking about rewards, they have a whopping 192% AP, which is insane. Pepe Unchained, better speeds, better gains, same delicious Pepe flavor. And this pre-sale is having a price hike in 1 day, already raising over $10 million. And again, guys, you make your money in the buy. If you buy into the pre-sale before it goes live, you make a solid bag. We're very confident in Pepe Unchained, so make sure to take a look at it. Link in the description below. But back to Shiba Inu. We can see Shiba Inu burn rate skyrocket 1,000% higher than 28 million Shib incinerated. Current swing has one more upside to come. Crypto first year of Shiba, impressive records for Shiba Inu. Epic 644% anomaly hits Shiba Inu's Shibarium. Shiba Inu coin price predictions looking pretty bullish. Technicals are looking pretty good as well. Oscillators are in buy, summary in buy, moving averages on buy, and it's looking absolutely phenomenal for Shiba Inu. The charts are looking healthier than ever, and that's exactly what we like to see. Even on Twitter, we can see some bullish things happening. Check out their recap, which is pretty big. The wait is over. Our first ring tournament has begun. We can see items by Shib proudly retweeted. Happy birthday to the Shibarium. Telegram channel for dedicated Shiba Inu news. And then we can see Albank's 9th anniversary and a massive airdrop and reward. Shiba Inu has been growing very healthy in the past couple of weeks, and we only anticipate it to grow more, especially now that Bitcoin at $64,000. Fear and greed index almost at greed again. I anticipate we are going to see the craziest pump for Shiba Inu that we have to get to see. Again, top meme coin, Shiba Inu still at number 2 spot, and experts are saying there's a potential it can flip dogecoin, and if that happens, it'll be absolutely impressive and amazing for its investors. But like always, guys, none of this is financial advice, as I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. And if you haven't already, do make sure you smash the subscribe button down below, as it helps the channel tremendously and will help you reach your crypto goals. That wraps up the video. Until next time, it is your friend Umar. Peace.